Criminology is an inherently interdisciplinary field. In the previous lectures, we touched upon how it informs and is informed by other fields of study. Today, we'll take a more in-depth look at these vital intersections and how they shape criminological research and practice. Criminology and sociology. The relationship between sociology and criminology runs deep. Sociology examines the broader social structures, institutions, and processes shaping human behavior. Key sociological questions for criminology. How do social inequalities like poverty, discrimination, and lack of opportunities contribute to crime? What role does social disorganization in communities play in facilitating criminal activity? How does culture influence our understanding and labeling of criminal behavior? Sociological theories offer rich explanations for crime. Strain theories suggest crime emerges when individuals cannot achieve socially approved goals through legitimate means. Social learning theories emphasize how criminal behavior is learned through interaction with others, particularly within deviant subcultures. Labeling theories highlight how the act of labeling someone as criminal can reinforce their self-identity, leading to further offending. Criminology and psychology. Psychology brings insights into the mind of the individual offender, providing a complementary perspective to broader sociological explanations of crime. Key psychological questions for criminology. What personality traits, mental health issues, or cognitive distortions increase the risk of criminality? How do decision-making processes differ in individuals prone to criminal behavior? What psychological interventions might be effective in reducing recidivism? Contributions of psychology. Profiling offenders examines behavioral patterns and psychological characteristics to assist in criminal investigations. Risk assessment tools help identify individuals with a higher risk of committing crimes or re-offending. Treatment and rehabilitation approaches offer psychological therapies tailored for offenders such as cognitive behavioral therapy and anger management programs. Criminology and law. Criminology and law are closely intertwined. Law defines what is considered criminal, while criminology examines the effectiveness and fairness of laws and the legal system. Criminological influences on law. Criminological research informs legislation and sentencing guidelines. It critiques existing laws, suggesting reforms to enhance justice. Evaluates laws to identify unintended consequences or discriminatory practices. Other notable intersections. Public policy. Criminology provides evidence-based research critical for shaping decisions on crime prevention, resource allocation, and program design in law enforcement, justice, and corrections. Biology explores the potential role of genetics, neurobiology, and physical factors in predispositions towards criminal behavior. Economics investigates the cost of crime to society and examines economic factors linked to criminal behavior. Conclusion: the intersections between criminology and various disciplines are vital for developing a holistic understanding of crime. It utilizes the tools and perspectives of different fields, enabling researchers, policymakers, and practitioners to create more effective and comprehensive responses to the complex social challenge of crime.